How to zoom pictures in Canva. So here is a quick guide on how to do so. So let's get started. First of all, open the web browser, your preferred one. So now all you have to do is tap on the search address bar and search for the canva.com and make sure that you are signed into your Canva account. So now once inside the canva.com, all you have to do is simply search for the image you want to zoom in. Simply tap on the images and navigate to the editing section. So now once you're inside the editing section, all you have to do is, in this picture, you can see there's slider option available at the bottom, right? Simply drag down the slider to zoom in for you to see the whole picture. But if you want to zoom in as an editing, then simply you can see there is a corner option available at the four sides. Now all you have to do is drag it. Then all you have to do is drag the corner or edges of the cropping box to zoom in on part of the photo. Now reposition the image inside the frame as needed. And once you are done, simply click on done or press enter. And that is it. This lets you zoom in on a part of the photo by cropping it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.